what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get 2 large iced coffees with cream, sugar, and caramel? All right, we're back with another video. So the Jeep's ready. We're gonna be bringing this one back. Hey, babe.
Hi. Can we stop for coffee?
Yes, we can stop for coffee. So we're gonna bring this back. The Jeep, what was wrong with it was the head gasket, the brand new head gasket that I just had them replace, had some minor defects in it or something. So it was leaking oil, it was dripping it onto the header, which was causing the burning smell. So they got that replaced. Didn't have to pay for it. Obviously, it was all under warranty, Mopar warranty stuff. And I did find that loose wire. I don't know if I showed it to you guys under the hood or not. I don't think I did. But there was a loose ground wire under the hood, and they tried to tell me that it was for my oil catch can, which made absolutely 0 sense. And I said, no, that doesn't make any sense. And then they found out, after looking further, that it belonged to the PCM, which they didn't disconnect at any time, but I didn't either. So I'm being charged for them to reconnect that. But I'm not having to pay for the oil change. So I'll pay 35 bucks to not pay for a $100 oil change. So we are going to go drop this back off, go get coffee, pick up the Jeep, and we'll be good to go, hopefully. So have a buddy stopping by later, gonna fix the sound system, and then I might work on my Jeep and start getting it prepared for the sound system that's gonna be going into it. I think I told you guys already, I got 2 15s and a 2,000 watt amp that I'm gonna be putting into it. So that'll be soon, as soon as my neighbor starts making that box. It's making it out of, it's gonna be a nice looking box. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna get going. So let's get to it. Rule number 1 about a loaner car. Always fill it back up before you bring it back, or they will charge you $5 a gallon. True story. So I'm gonna get it here where it's $1.75 a gallon. All right, so we just filled it up. Just put in 7.86 gallons at $13.76. Normally would cost almost $40 if you did not fill it up and they had to do it themselves. So just saved $36.24. Not too bad. And now we're gonna go get coffee.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get 2 large iced coffees with cream, sugar, and caramel?
Okay, is that it?
Yep.
Okay, please close the door now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You too. Coffee, 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 coffee. I probably don't need any coffee. We've got the necessities. So let's go get the Jeep, which I guess is a bigger necessity than coffee, in my opinion.
It's close.
Wow. All right, well, I'm beginning to question all of this.
Fine, that's my coffee now.
Wow. Well played. Well played. All right, we're here again, hopefully for the last and final time. I don't want to have to come here anymore. And that Jeep did not pull up far enough.
Oh, look at that nice minivan for you.
Yeah, it was here the other day.
Oh, that's
You think they pulled up far enough? Think I can fit in there? Let's do it. Let's try it. Oh, we're Gucci. Let's go get my Jeep back. All right, we're back in the SRT. It is really dirty, but it's not, I don't smell any burning oil, which is amazing. And I desperately need gas. So we're gonna go get some gas. How does that sound?
Good.
Okay, good answer. So I only got 73 miles left in the tank. That's not good.
Because we live so far.
Mm-hmm.
Like I wasn't drinking my coffee.
That would have been great. Although it would have spilled all over the car, so not great.
Yeah. Joke's on
mean, it would have spilled on you too, but
It would have mostly went on your car.
yeah, not great. Gas twice in one day. Gotta go fill her up. Really hope premium is as cheap as it was at the other gas station. Let's see what we got here. $2.42 a gallon for 93. That's a win. Dang. Woo! Spilt a little. Safety first. Man, this thing needs a bath. That's a little better. Finally got her back home. Jeep's fixed. It's not burning oil. Doesn't smell. It's good to go. Finally got her back home. That's gonna be it for now. Probably for a little bit. I don't really have too much more content coming up that I can think of, but that might change. Once it starts getting warm out, it's getting wrapped, and might show you guys what. I'm not going to show you guys. You can just wait and see what it looks like. But a buddy of mine has a gnarly C7 Corvette, and he wraps his every single year, something different. This year it's got a Golf livery on it, and it looks freaking dope. But he's like, hey dude, let's do one on your Jeep. And I was like, all right. So we're going to be doing that this year. We already got it, all the materials that we need for it. Gonna have to clay bar the Jeep, and then once the weather's warm enough that the wrap will adhere to the paint, we're gonna get that done. It'll probably be, I think he said it's gonna take like 2 full days to do that. But we're definitely gonna be recording that, and I know he's starting a YouTube channel as well, so he's gonna be recording it on there. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming shortly, I promise you. But here's where she sits, and then I'm gonna either get this wrapped, or I'm just gonna repaint it, because that all the clear is coming off of this. So, but yeah, we'll get it all taken care of. And then I kind of want to get yellow tint again, because this one started to peel, and just redo this one headlight. The other headlight looks fine. It's not having any bubbles or anything like that, but so just some little things like that. But yeah, she's dirty now. I'm not worried about it. It's gonna rain more, so I'm not gonna bother cleaning it. And that's where we are for the rest of today, I guess. That's all I can think of. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Stay safe. Hashtag social distancing. Get a fast car so you can actually do it. And catch you next time.